Hey, let's cut the fluff. If you've been spinning your wheels trying to make a dime online, listen up. Because what I'm about to show you is the shortcut you wish someone handed you 6 months ago. No, it's not a magic button, but it's damn close. You're trying to build an affiliate funnel. You're trying to write copy that doesn't sound like a robot. And you're trying to use AI without sounding like every other cookie-cutter spammer out there. You're juggling tools, watching tutorials, buying garbage, and getting nowhere. It's exhausting. What if, instead of piecing together half-baked hacks, you had one bundle, built for beginners, that actually gave you a roadmap, templates that convert, and AI prompts that don't suck? I'm talking about the AI Sales Jumpstart Bundle. This thing hands you the exact blueprints, swipe files, and AI commands to launch smarter, write faster, and start seeing clicks turn into cash. Funnels? Done. Email promos? Pre-written. Prompts? Tested. You just plug it in and get back to building. This is for you if you're sick of overpaying for bloated tools, tired of launching from scratch, or brand new and just want to do it right the first time. No experience? Doesn't matter. The instructions are so simple your dog could follow them. So here's the deal. Hit that button, grab the bundle, and finally build something worth scaling. Don't wait. Your funnel isn't going to build itself. Click the button now and let's go. The AI Sales Jumpstart Bundle, built for beginners, powered by AI, designed to sell.